Sudhindra Badoria of the BSP, good evening and welcome. Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP, good evening and welcome. Also welcome to Dr. Ajay Alok, General Secretary of the JDU. With me in the studio to my right, Siddharth Nath Singh. To my left, to my right, Sanjay Jha. I'm sorry, Sanjay.
I take that as an offense now.
I didn't think it would come down to this.
He's already crossed the floor.
I didn't think you would come down to this, but I can confirm to the Newsa viewers. Yes.
Arnab, you should keep us to your right only.
Well, Siddharth, the last thing anyone would accuse me of getting, a body double for you in the form of Sanjay Jha in the studio. Also with us, Sunil Alak and Kumar Ketkar. Welcome, gentlemen. I want to just begin. Let's go straight to the question. First, a challenge to Siddharth Nath Singh. Please tell me, Dr. Siddharth Nath Singh, tell me where did Priyanka Gandhi talk about caste? Just tell me exactly where she spoke about caste, unless you are hallucinating and seeing windmills. Zara बताए कि caste के बारे में कहाँ बोला?
Good question.
I'll tell you, but firstly, don't call me doctor, which I am not. Anyway, thanks for that. But
getting the names
let me
wrong.
tell
Anyway,
when you talk about what the Congress is interpreting, that she has spoken about the low caste. Sorry, the Congress has been saying it's an interpretation that she has said low-level politics. Now, to translate into Hindi, which you may allow, is निम्र स्तर की राजनीति या निचले स्तर की राजनीति. Now, when you say niche is directly related to a person or a caste. To give you an example, ये नीच व्यक्ति है, इसको घर के अंदर आने नहीं देना. ये नीच है, इसको मंदिर में जाने नहीं देना. It directly gets related, unfortunately, to a caste and to a person. So therefore, what she had said is the word called niche. She did not use a word which is called nimr or nichle star.
Siddharth, let me read out the context. I have got it here in front of me. Please hear me. It will take me 30 seconds. This is what Priyanka Gandhi said. इन्होंने अमेठी की धरती पे मेरे शहीद पिता का अपमान किया है. अमेठी की जनता इस हरकत को कभी माफ नहीं करेगी. इनकी नीच राजनीति का जवाब मेरे बूथ के कार्यकर्ता देंगे. अमेठी के एक-एक बूथ से जवाब आएगा. Now let me tell you, look at the context. Where does the lower caste or the Dalits or the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe come into play? Just answer this question. Where does it come into play? No, look at the context. Where is Priyanka Gandhi mentioned?
It's very simple. It is very simple. Let Priyanka Gandhi say. No, it's a context. If she has used the wrong word, which should have been nimr star, and she has used the wrong word, she should come on the air and
I don't understand this. No, one second. First of all, no, 1 second.
The context. The matter gets closed. But she has said
BJP is like a drowning man clutching at a straw. The communalism game is over. Casteism is your last desperate step. The mask is off. Mr. Modi himself is now playing the ultimate dirty level pedestrian.
My dear, I don't know who you are, but let me tell you, the communalism is
a muscular political animal that is going to rise like a phoenix.
With Sonia Gandhi,
the word muscular is with Mr. Modi. We don't want to have anything to do with that, Mr. Goswami. As far as we are concerned, I think the BJP today stands exposed before the people of this country of having failed in religious polarization.
My second challenge.
Now reaching the pathetic level of playing a caste card. Mr. Modi, everybody knows at this point of time, if you're watching this program, that you stand exposed today. Your development spin has fallen flat.
And Imam Bukhari coming. Can I just...
No, what? Just a minute.
Ajay using the scalp Imam. What is all that supposed to be?
Siddharth, a minute. Don't distract. Remain focused. Remain focused and don't distract from the debate. The question is... No. 1 minute. 1 minute. We are on a very serious charge. And let's all, since we are not saying we're not speaking over each other, but let's establish that at this stage of the debate, Siddharth, I'm going to give a second turn now to the BJP. I mean, you don't represent the BJP, but you are Modi-leaning.
Yes.
You are as Modi-leaning as one can be.
Right.
So I give you an opportunity here, and Sudhindra Badoria and Kumar Ketkar can contradict you. You tell me. You have seen Priyanka Gandhi's comment. She says he has insulted my martyred father on the soil of Amethi. People of Amethi will never forgive him for this act. Workers in Amethi will reply to his low-level politics. There will be a reply from each of the booths. Please tell me, did I miss something?
No.
Was there a reference to caste in all of this?
No, one second.
Then why did you pull in caste?
1 second. I didn't do it.
No,
what
but
is happening?
it's sad, isn't it?
Let us see what is happening in this political game. 1 second. Yes, I will tell you what. Please let me finish this.
You bring in caste where caste doesn't exist, and then you say it's a game.
Arnab, I am saying what anybody is doing is not right. I'll give you the example.
No, who is anybody?
Reuters,
Who is anybody?
1 second.
Who is anybody?
This is a trouble. You don't let me finish my train of thought. I told you in the Reuters when they interviewed Narendra Modi and they asked him about the deaths in 2002. What did he respond? He said, even if a little puppy comes, 1 second, let's finish. It's like me saying, if I don't hurt a fly on the wall, it's an expression. You turned it into saying he's calling all Muslims puppies.
What are you? What can? What are you saying? No,
how many people
what are you saying?
How many people
I am asking
that
you.
was the wrong context?
I am asking you. Was there a reference
answer the
to
question
caste?
then.
You answer my question. Was there a reference to caste?
Was there a reference to Muslims when he
was there a reference to caste?
Then this is what this election has become.
No. So
this is
Sunil,
what this election has become.
Where was the reference to caste?
Everyone is
so no.
going
Does
to
Sunil, why are you dodging the question?
My question is: was there a reference to caste? Was there a reference to caste?
Was there a reference to Muslims when it was puppies? It wasn't.
No reference to caste.
Then why?
But Narendra Modi is forced now in the last phase of the election. He is finding that he is on the defensive and that 272 plus is a dream. And this particular these 33 constituencies, he is facing a challenge from Mayawati. And because he is facing a challenge from Mayawati, he wants to confront Mayawati via Priyanka. So actually he is not addressing Priyanka only, he is addressing Mayawati because he feels that he can woo Dalit votes by only showing that Priyanka is insulting the Dalits, which Priyanka is not. Priyanka has not brought in caste. Priyanka has not brought in caste at all. Priyanka is talking of low level of politics, and let me tell you, the entire media is actually talking about the low level of politics this time. So she is only referring to that low level of politics. Every channel, every newspaper editorial
what did Modi say? What did Modi say now? Modi is saying, I belong to a low caste.
No. I'll tell you what he said. I'll tell you first of all.
He was always talking about development and growth and unemployment.
Okay,
and now suddenly he converts the campaign into caste.
Let's get a response to that.
Okay, you want to know
communalism. He had Lord Ram in the background.
What was Modi ji's response?
Amit Shah talks about Azamgarh having become a terrorist heaven.
No, after having said
Pink revolution,
instead of Ram Mandir there should be Shauchalaya. Now suddenly he brings Ram Mandir behind.
And by the way, why are you ignoring his comment on Bangladesh immigrants? What about Durgashtami?
Where are we going with this?
Mr. Modi's mask is clearly up. I want to make one point.
Priyanka's remark.
1 second. Sunil, can I ask you a question?
He is not responding to
Priyanka called BJP blooming rats. What about that?
He is not
running around like rats. Is that a language?
Sunil, I am asking you just one question. Since your Mr. Modi seems to be so concerned about Dalits, I'm asking you a question. One simple question.
Right.
Why did he endorse Baba Ramdev's sickening, repugnant, derogatory comment? He did.
He didn't endorse.
The BJP
has not condemned.
They have not condemned it. They have endorsed it. They have justified it.
No, 1 second.
This is nothing but an electoral
They said
ploy.
this in different context.
No. He didn't endorse. Modi has never endorsed
BJP
Baba
has
Ramdev's
been on
comments.
defensive,
He
BJP
has
has defended.
never endorsed. Never. Now you make up
Sunil,
your mind.
what are you talking
Are
about?
you talking about what Mr. Modi is saying, or what BJP is saying, or what X is saying? Then let's get
Modi
into
is
1
the
second.
campaign
Then
chief.
let us see what Priyanka is saying. What is she carrying on? Is that means Congress is saying it? Let us now get into another debate altogether. You are talking about an individual. 1 second.
Where was the reference to caste?
There was no. All right. So
was there a reference to caste?
So he has interpreted.
So
as
why
such.
did he interpret it
Why
wrong?
doesn't Priyanka clarify and say there was no reference?
said.
1
do you
second.
mean?
Where has she said? When did she say?
1 minute.
Come on, yeah. Where did she say?
1 minute.
Tell her to come out and
do I have
end the
to
discussion.
clarify to you that
She
we are
will
sitting in the
end the
Times Now
discussion.
studio? 1 minute.
She will
1 minute.
not-
Do I need to clarify to you that I'm
Not
sitting
to
next
me.
to Arnab?
No, come on,
Kumar
yeah.
Ketkar is sitting
No,
there.
come on,
This
yeah.
is a night time.
Come on,
The
yeah,
time
yeah,
is
yeah.
exactly
This is-
9:20. I mean, let's not be
No.
ridiculous.
Also, that person who says let's send people
1
to
second.
Pakistan.
Okay,
BJP
we're
said
going
we
in,
don't connect
Sudhindra.
with
Okay,
them.
1
We
second.
don't
Going
connect
out
with
of the
them.
studio into the debate, Sudhindra Badoria, Siddharthnath Singh. Sudhindra Badoria, Siddharthnath Singh.
Mr. Jha,
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, all these people Yes. who have use language. We have learned that Mr. Narendra Modi is also a social linguist. He has also knowledge of thesaurus, and he is using a language where he is trying to placate his position. He has been known historically, his leaders. He belongs to the RSS. He's a Swayam Sevak of the RSS. The RSS has never held Baba Sahab Bhimrao Ambedkar or Mahatma Phule in respect. Let me tell you, there is a book written by him, The Bunch of Thoughts. There is not a line mentioned respecting these leaders. What is he talking about? If he was a real person trying to support the cause of the Dalits and the OBCs, he would have taken a position in the Mandal agitation. In the Mandal agitation, he was up there on the Babri Masjid trying to hammer down the Babri Masjid. He is talking today about the OBCs. The nation knows his entire effort of trying to mislead the nation. His entire effort to try to mislead the nation and the people of Uttar Pradesh will be rebuffed by the people of UP.
So is caste politics your monopoly?
And let me also tell...
Is caste politics your monopoly, Mr. Bhadoria? Why did Mayawati say?
Let me say that.
Why did Mayawati say? No, 1 minute.
Let me say
1 minute. We hold a position.
We have toiled for 2,500 years. We have toiled for 2,500 years. These people have been the oppressors and the exploiters of these social groups. We will not take it lying low. We will rebuff it. We will not take it lying low. We will fight to the finish with Mr. Modi on the turf of Uttar Pradesh.
But why did Mayawati ask, उनकी caste क्या है? क्या वो नाय है? क्या वो कुशवाहा है?
That is because,
what kind of politics is that?
Because for 62 years, that is because for 62 years he has no realization. He was only supporting carrying the flag of Guru Golwalkar, which says Shudra, Pashu, Dhor or Nari, ye sab hai taran ke adhikari. That means that the women, the Shudras and the poor should be whipped, and the women should be whipped, and therefore we oppose it tooth and nail, and we will fight to the finish on each and every pole in Eastern UP and Bihar.
Anyway, let's go back to the basic subject. Siddharth, I'll come to you. 1 second. I'm going across to Ajay Alok, so everyone's in the debate, and then I'll come back to you, Siddharth. My question to Ajay Alok is, Ajay...
No. Please, Arnab, I request, allow me now. No, allow me. Arnab, allow me. I have a very simple request to you. If he is going to get the entire time, what are we there in this debate for? This Siddharth Singh has been taking the entire debate time,
Just keep quiet. Mr. Bhadoria, keep quiet now. What, Mr. Bhadoria, you keep quiet and answer. What did you say? Tilak, Tarazu or Talwar? Maro, Jute, Inko Char. What is Tilak? What is Tarazu? What is... Then you came back. Then you come back. Hathi nahi Ganesh hai. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh hai. Who's using all these slogans?
Yes.
What is your basis? Mr. Bhadoria, what is your basis of using these slogans? Who's using caste? We say 125 crore. But yes, if Mr. Naresh Agarwal comes and challenges Mr. Modi and say he is a Teli, so OBC caste comes in. Mr. Manishankar Iyer says he is a Chaiwala, definitely, then the caste comes in. So if we reply back to you all, you are a disturbed person.
No, 1 second.
Problem.
You are not replying.
Mayawati has been exploiting only on the caste basis.
Mr. Arun Jaitley, Mr. Narendra Modi, all of you.
Let him answer Tilak, Tarazu or Talwar. First to me.
You see, you want to... Siddharth, 1 second. Just a minute. 1 minute, please, Siddharth. Just a minute, listen to me. Mr. Siddharth Singh and Sudhindra Bhadoria. Now we can do this, okay? We can do this debate on these terms. Who owns, 1 minute, who owns religion? Who owns the Hindu vote? Who owns the Muslim vote? Who owns the backward caste vote? Who owns the Dalit vote? We can do that. I'd like to remind Siddharth Singh that I think there was an interview on India TV in a show called Janta Ki Adalat, right? In that, I'll tell you what Narendra Modi had said, Siddharth, which you are conveniently forgetting. I have the quote. He said, unless we start saying we the 1.25 crore people, the poison of caste will keep creating fissures in society. There is no harm in feeling proud of your caste, but the poison of casteism that creates hatred does not benefit anyone. That is 3 weeks back. And today, all this, you know, when the reference to caste is not made, and what does Narendra Modi say? You want to know what he says?
So,
he says, 1 minute. He says, today you are pointing fingers on my caste.
I feel proud of my religion. I feel proud of my caste. But I talk about 125 crores, which you don't want to talk.
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, when an accusation has not been made,
the caste model.
And Narendra Modi says that I am shocked that such a huge accusation has been made. Where is the accusation is not made? It's quite evident to everyone the accusation is not in the context of caste. Ajay Alok is rebutting you at this point. Ajay.
Well, if you don't understand, Mr.
I was about to give the same example, and in this debate he also said कि ये यूपी और बिहार के कुछ जातिवादी नेता इस स्टेट को खराब करके बैठे हुए हैं. And today what he is doing the same thing. What was the need for the caste rebuttal? On one hand, the BJP talks of a presidential kind of election. This is a referendum on Mr. Narendra Modi. That's what Mr. Arun Jaitley said. Now, if we talk of US, did ever Barack Obama mention that he's a black or a white? What he's trying to do? What kind of a level they are stooping? This is nothing. Just a desperation to get votes. Earlier it was communalism, now shifting to casteism.
Precisely, I mean...
And then he accuses leaders of Bihar and UP to practice caste politics.
Why do you want to basically please Siddharth, I now once give me okay, here's one opportunity, I give a second opportunity on the panel.
Shankar Iyer raises the chaiwala, we are accused.
Is this the kind
now
of
Priyanka raises, we are accused. What a lovely way to communicate.
Siddharth Nath Singh, you are just manipulating issues. I can tell you, Mr. Modi is demonstrating to India that he's got a highly twisted mind and he does everything for his own political convenience. Everything is for his own political convenience. This, Arnab, I can tell you, he's bringing up with the May 7th voting around the corner, May 12th voting in UP. BJP realizes it is lagging behind. It is facing a rout in Bihar. This is nothing but a desperate political act, and I think it's going to boomerang on the BJP again.
What is it for?
It's a desperate attempt to get votes.
It is for making India strong.
Mr. Singh, you haven't, I will tell you, Mr. Modi clearly has problems of comprehension. He has problems of comprehension. I quoted to you what Priyanka Gandhi said. You haven't been able to give a convincing answer. Your party leader, Mr. Modi, is going to town making public speeches, instigating people on the basis of caste, on nothing, on a flimsy, and on a flaky, on a frivolous excuse to make some kind of a political divide.
And it's my
so
Hindi
obvious.
and I understand Hindi well.
I think...
Bottom line is, Siddharth, I give a second opportunity to the BJP panelists here right now. You see, you can get into...
They don't have an answer,
You can get...
Low-level politics is called Nimr Star-ki politics.
Yeah, you are clearly, you know... Siddharth, if you are determined... Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, just a minute, please. If you are absolutely determined that we have to win this election somehow, so we'll bring in religion, we'll bring in caste, we'll let Amit Shah say what he wants, we'll bring in caste and religion in Uttar Pradesh, because this is the heady cocktail that Uttar Pradesh is made of. And if the media asks questions, then we'll tell the media that you are not focusing on development. Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, I am challenging you tonight. Give me one case. Give me one instance, please, Mr. Singh, without interrupting me. One instance today, one instance when Narendra Modi's, please tell me when Narendra Modi's, OBC background or any such background has been used as a tool to attack him politically. Give me one instance. Give me a quote, a comment, an instance where the BSP, the Congress, the SP, anybody has used the caste issue to the caste issue. Don't bring in Chaiwala, I'm saying caste issue.
He himself used it, Arnav, in a Bihar rally. He said कि पहले ये बनियाओं की और अग्र जाति की पार्टी है, इसके पैसे एक पिछड़े को इसका नेता बना दिया.
If you do not interrupt, because the maximum interruption is coming from you. Now, who's this gentleman who's speaking?
That is Ajay Alok of the JDU.
To answer, you are evading the question.
Can you ask him to be quiet, please?
No, I have another question for you, Siddharth. I have another question for you. Please answer a specific question.
Let me answer, he can get his turn.
No, I'm asking you a second specific question. I'm asking you two questions.
Arey, you allow me to answer the first question. Arnab, allow me to answer the first question. I am telling you, No, I'll answer the first question, then you ask me a second question. Now, the first answer is, it all started on the cast was Naresh Agarwal, who said he is a Teli. What is Teli? Teli is an OBC. It all started from there. Then all the entire clarification came, what is background, he was selling tea. Then what comes in? अरे ये जो चाय वाला है इसको मैं चाय बेचने दूंगा AICC के ऑफिस में. Was it BJP? It was Mani Shankar Iyer. So how many examples do I have to give? What about the Beni Prasad Verma example should I give you?